Well guys, here it is. TOMEI white pipe. I literally just got this like not even 10 minutes ago, so let's just get into it. Guys, TOMEI never fails with their merch, their beautiful stickers, their plate cover, their instructions, everything, all the hardware you need. Let's just get straight into this, guys. I'm so excited. But before we do get straight into this, I just want to tell you guys, we are officially now shaving off nearly 45 pounds with this white pipe and catback out. Like, this is insane. One of my favorite things about TOMEI, I just want to say this right now, you get extra hardware. Like, that is perfect. I got 2 of those. I got 4 of these. If you are new and you haven't seen the single exit install, I will leave a link in the description so you can see. It was super easy and simple to assemble and put on. I'm telling you, this is the best exhaust ever. Got one. Oh my gosh, this thing is so freaking light, guys. I'm telling you, it is insanely light. And I was mentioning before, on the single exit, it literally tells you where it goes. Like, you can't mess it up. It's so easy to install. They make everything so simple, and they secure the packaging, everything. Oh my gosh, so well. And the beautiful TOMEI badge. Like, come on, that is sick. And of course, our last piece of the white pipe, guys. Even the inside is so perfectly welded. This is insane. Guys, all we're doing is we're putting this on top of this, but make sure you don't forget your clamps. All right, you put the clamp on this piece. You're gonna slide one of the pipes on, and you're gonna tighten this one slightly, not all the way yet. Again, we're putting the clamp on right here and slide the white pipe. Now, the white pipe should look like this. I put this towards the ground and these towards the ground for easy access. All right, guys, first things first, take a 14 and undo this bolt. It's better if you get a swivel too. And take it off. And now we're gonna take off this one right here. After we're done with these bolts, right there, the 2, now we're gonna move up more to get to those 2 over there and the 2 on the other side as well. Now we're gonna go onto the passenger side and finish off these last 2 bolts. These 2. And this is what we wanted. Now, we're gonna take it and slide it off. Oh, perfect. And now we're just gonna take off the gaskets off both sides. The VR30s are not like, they're not fully straight with the downpipes, so you have to angle them. That's why I wouldn't tighten these all the way, so we can angle them to the perfect match. Now, I'll only be taking these 2 gaskets, obviously replacing the OEM ones. I'm going to be reusing my 3-inch midsection gasket, so I'm not going to be taking extras. These will stay with me unless I really need to switch them out, because it's fairly new. I've only used it for 2 weeks, and there's no leaks, no nothing. Before installing the white pipe, make sure you screw this on, make sure it's nice and tight, and you should be good to go. With what I need to be doing, I'm going to use the box to hold up the white pipe. Since I'm by myself installing this, I don't want to scrape it or drop it. Okay, now we're going to be putting our gasket on. Just like that. So once you get it on pretty decently, do the other one. All right, we're done with this. Now the passenger side, like I was mentioning, we're gonna put the gasket on first. this side. Just like so. Now, put the bolts on. Now, the final step. Like I was mentioning, I'm going to be reusing the gasket, and we're going to be sliding on one of the bolts on this side as well. All the way, just like that. Now we don't need this beautiful box. We can just slide it out. And voila. There we go. Same thing on the other side as well. Guys, now we're coming back. And all you need for these two is a size 10 socket or wrench. But socket will be a lot easier, obviously. Was it all worth it? We're about to find out. The Y pipe is definitely a must. It's just, it opens it up. I can hear my turbos, I can hear my intakes sucking all that air. The exhaust, I can hear the tone. It's so nice.